Welcome to day 2 of your Centered Self 10-day meditation challenge. Today, we focus on the grounding power of breath. So finding a comfortable position, whether it's seated or lying down, and maybe allowing the eyes to come to a softened gaze, or allowing the eyes to completely close here. Relaxing the forehead, and softening your face. Unclenching your jaw, and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Creating a slight part between the top lip and the bottom lip. And softening the shoulders. Allowing the arms to feel at ease. Letting the hips settle in towards the earth. And feeling our legs at ease. And taking note of how we're showing up for our practice today. How are we arriving here physically? How are we arriving mentally? How are we arriving emotionally, spiritually, and energetically? Overall, how are you doing today? And observing our mind. If it feels busy and scattered, or calm and collected. Observing your thoughts. Are they uplifting? Are they negative? Are they true? And taking a moment to acknowledge how you would like to feel in mind and in body. Bringing some awareness to the breath. And we're inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. Continuing to inhale deeply and exhale fully. And taking a nice big inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Take a nice big inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Take a nice big inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Take a nice big inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Returning to your normal breathing. Allowing the body to soften and visualizing roots extending from your body into the earth, grounding you. With every breath in, we draw stability and support. With every breath out, we release tension. Silently repeating, with each breath, I feel grounded and calm. With each breath, I feel grounded and calm. With each breath, I feel grounded and calm. Feeling your connection to the earth and to this moment, and to your own steady presence. Taking a nice big inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Take a nice big inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Take a nice big inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Returning to your normal breathing here. Allowing ourselves just to be. And taking this opportunity to set an intention as you move forward through the rest of your day. How can we continue to incorporate more moments of grounding and using the power of our breath? Taking a nice big inhale through the nose and exhale it out. We'll take a nice big inhale, reach the arms to sky. And as you exhale, let the hands travel to the heart center or to the lap. I want to thank you for practicing with me today. And I hope you continue to stay safe, healthy, blessed, and living your life with ease. At this time, feel free to sit in a moment of stillness, meditation, or prayer, or taking a few moments to journal about your meditation today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you again